Hi Reese. Today I'm just going to do a quick recap on the nth term with you. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here. Okay, so I want to find the nth term of this sequence. So all I do is I ask myself, what is it going up by each term? And from 5 to 7 and from 7 to 9 is plus 2. So that means that my nth term is going to start off with 2n. Okay, then what I do is I imagine myself going back a step. And what number would that bring me to? Well, it's going to be 3. So my nth term is going to be 2n plus 3. Okay? Moving on to this next question. Exactly the same thing. What's it going up in? So to go from 3 to 9, 9 to 15, 15 to 21, I just add 6 each time. So that means my nth term starts off with 6n. Now if I were to imagine going back a step, this time it would bring me to the number minus 3. So for that reason, my nth term is going to be 6n minus 3. Okay? Next question. 15, 16, 19, 22. Well, it's going up in 3s each time. So it's going to be 3n. If I go back a step, it brings me to the number 10. So it's 3n plus 10. And last question. This is a negative one. Numbers are getting smaller. So go from 10 to 6, 6 to 2, and 2 to minus 2. Each time I'm just taking away 4. So for that reason, I'm going to start off with minus 4n. And if I were to go back a step, that's going to bring me to the number 14. So it's minus 4n plus 14. If you don't like it starting with a minus number, you can swap them round and say 14 minus 4n. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Okay, all the best now.